Welcome back to another OBS tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking all about sources and the different options we have for sources that we can add. So in the last video, we added just this screen capture, which just records whatever's happening on our desktop. And if you have multiple monitors, you can record each one. You can even do each one as a different source. And so in this video, we're going to add in some different sources. And I should note that you can add multiple on top of each other too. If we click on top of this source, we notice a red box comes around it. Oh, and actually, I guess I should start over, just in case you missed the last video. When you first open, it looks like this. To add a source, we just click the plus sign. And I will add, let's add my video in real quick here. So if I go to Video Capture Device and click OK, I can find my webcam, which is right here. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to click OK. And is that in sync? This might be a little bit delayed because I'm actually looping this video and audio through a couple different computers in order to make this video without interfering with OBS. But I'm going to click and drag and move this video to the bottom left-hand corner. There is a way that we can sync the audio, and I'll show you how to do that later. So this is the way you can add yourself in the bottom corner. And then if I want to show my desktop, I can click here, and I can go to Screen Capture, and I can just click OK. And now we're showing my screen. And we should see myself as well. If I click OK here, we can't see myself right now because the screen is above the video capture in the sources. And these little arrows here help us decide what has priority, what's on top. So if I put my video capture on top by clicking this button here, then we can see my video and my screen. And if I were to make this a lot smaller, then we can just kind of see what it would look like. We can see my desktop. I can get over here and click on some different folders and do some things, and we can still see myself in the corner. But what we're not doing is capturing audio right now. So I'm capturing audio. You can hear me talking because I'm actually using a different computer to record this video. But we can see there's no audio activity happening down here. And so what I need to do is add in an audio source. Sometimes it'll grab it from your webcam. My webcam does have a microphone. But if not, we can just go to add a source, and we'll add an audio input capture. And I'll click OK. And then I'll click this drop down and I'll tell it which one. So I have the blue snowball, a USB microphone, and I also have the microphone from my webcam. So I'll just click this and I'll go OK. And so now we see some activity happening here, and I can control the volume of it. So if I turn it all the way down, you can't hear it at all. If I turn it up a little bit, it's sort of low. When it gets into this yellow and red is where it's kind of about where it needs to be. Not all the way into the red, but just into the yellow. And then if I want to add a different, I can actually click and mute this. What I am capturing also right now is my desktop audio, I see. So if I go to home and I click on music, and if we play this, we can hear it. We can hear this music in our video, even though we're not really recording yet. If I hit start recording, we'll have a little video and we'll move this around. But we're not recording anything from the microphone right now. So if I hit stop recording, and then I can go and let's turn off that audio. We can go to our recordings and we can watch this video that we just made, and we can see. What else can we add here? So under sources, we can add just an image. If we want to add an image as a source, we click OK, and we just choose what image to add. So if I go to pictures here, yeah, we can add this image. So I click OK. And now this is just showing just this image, and you can't see me and you can't see anything else. But if we resize this, we can have the image over here. Some people put, you could have your logo, you could have a watermark, you could have, I believe this supports transparency, so you could put an image. So now we have 4 different sources, really counting our microphone input. And you can add as many sources as you want. You can add a slideshow. Didn't I see a slideshow here? Yeah, an image slideshow. You can add in a media source like a video. So if I want to go add a media source, I can choose this video file. So I can go here and I can go to videos, and I'll choose this video of a snail and click, I'll just tell it to loop and I'll say OK. And now I have a video of a snail playing here. Oh, I need to resize that. And so I can have this snail playing here. I still have myself in the video. We still have this picture here, and we're doing a screen recording of the desktop. So we can get to here and move around files on the desktop. So that is just a quick look at sources. And so go ahead and click the plus sign and look at some of these different things that you can do, some different sources that you can add. And we're going to play with these more as we get on, but this is just helping you see what is possible and what you can do just getting started with OBS. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.